Dear students, competitive chemistry JEE NEET 2026 focus. This question belongs to JEE Advanced 2017. You see a very easy question. Number system among H2, He2 plus Li2, Be2, B2, C2, N2, O2 minus F2. The number of diamagnetic spaces is okay. Let me repeat once again. Among H2, He2 plus Li2, Be2, B2, C2, N2, O2 minus F2, the number of diamagnetic spaces is. You see, H2, number of electrons, hydrogen atomic number 1, 2 H's are there. So 2 electrons, He2, helium atomic number 2, 2 into 2, 4. Here plus indicates remove 1 electron, 4 minus 1, 3 electrons. Lithium atomic number 3, 3 into 2, 6 electrons. Beryllium atomic number 4, 4 into 2, 8 electrons. Boron atomic number 5 into 2, 10 electrons. Carbon 6 atomic number, 2 carbons are there, 12 electrons. Nitrogen 7 atomic number, 7 into 2 nitrogens are there, 14 electrons. Oxygen atomic number 8, 8 into 2, 16, minus indicates add 1 electron. Okay, 17 electrons are there. Fluorine atomic number 9, 9 into 2, 8 electrons are there. Here we can easily identify which is diamagnetic, which is paramagnetic. Here the trick is, if the number of electrons are even number, that is diamagnetic. If the number of electrons are odd number, that is paramagnetic. If it is an even number, that is diamagnetic. If it is a odd number, that is a paramagnetic. But here there is an exception. If the number of electrons are 10, this is a even number. If the number of electrons are 16, this is also even number. Even though they belong to even number, that is 10 and 16, but they will be treated as a paramagnetic. This is only exception case. 10 electrons, 16 electrons, both are even number, but they do not belong to diamagnetic. They belong to paramagnetic because they possess unpaired electrons in bonding orbitals or anti-bonding orbitals. Okay. You see, H2 2 electrons diamagnetic, He2 plus 3 electrons paramagnetic. Lithium 2, this is a even number, diamagnetic. Beryllium 2, 8 electron, this is a even number, diamagnetic. Beryllium 2, this bond order is 0, Be2 does not exist, please note it. The bond order of Be2 0, so Be2 molecule does not exist, please note it. 10 electrons, this is a even number, actually this may be belongs to dia, but exception case. This is para, presence of unpaired electrons in bonding and anti-bonding orbitals. Please note it. C2, 12 electrons are there. This is a even number diamagnetic. Nitrogen 14, even number diamagnetic. O2 minus 17, paramagnetic. This is a 17 electron paramagnetic. F2, 8 electrons, even number diamagnetic. Please note it, this is a only exception case here. B2, 10 electrons, even number, but this may be treated as a paramagnetic. At the same time, O2, oxygen also 16 electrons, this also even number, but this may be treated as a paramagnetic because presence of unpaired electrons in anti-bonding orbitals. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe for 2026 NEET and JEE.